welcome to my channel. It's Michelle. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to see more videos from me. So today we're going to talk about my very first Chanel. It's the mini rectangle in lambskin, and I'm going to tell you what fits in the bag. So you can see she's just gorgeous and she feels amazing. Here's the side view and the back with the little pocket in the back. She has silver hardware. Well, one of the things different from the mini and the regular one is that you'll only see 2 rivets at the top instead of 4. That means the chain is only meant to be worn in one length, but I will show you how we can convert that to be a little bit smaller. She's got the classic turn lock and the interlocking C's. I did leave the plastic on to keep her nice and safe until she falls off. Another thing the bag doesn't have inside is that extra flap, but that actually gives it much more room inside of the mini. So let me show you what I can hold in here. Right now, of course, I have my phone, my iPhone 8 Plus, and I have a pack of tissues, my card holder that I actually bought specifically for this handbag so that I can just hold a few things. There is a little pocket in here for cards. So I have some business cards in there. I have my room key and I have a lipstick. It can probably fit a little more in here, but I'm not sure what else I would need for the evening. There's also a zippered pocket in the bag. Can definitely stash some cash in there. So that's all I have. The card holder, my lipstick, my hotel key, tissues, and my phone. And the hand sanitizer, very important. It's mostly an evening bag, date night, girls' night out. I can't really fit sunglasses in here without stuffing it. Either I'll crush the sunglasses or the bag will bulge, and I don't like to do that because for something so expensive, we don't want to change the shape of the bag. Now, this is how we can make the chain shorter. Is open the bag and take one chain, cross it, take the other one, cross it, and now you can just wear that over your shoulder if you want it more secure under your arm. And that's it. Oh, another thing, I purchased this white dress to match with the bag because it's a black handbag. When I wear it against a black dress, it disappears. So I actually bought the card holder and the dress to coordinate with the pretty little Chanel. She's worth it, so why not? Let me know what you think in the comments below. Again, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.